Welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, I will show you how to add distance radius circle to Google Maps and explain how you can easily check if a location falls within a specific area. Now let's get started. Step 1, open your browser and go to mapdevelopers.com. This website provides useful tools that work alongside Google Maps. Step 2, click on Map Tools and select Draw a Circle tool. This option allows you to create a radius circle around any point. Step 3, enter the address or starting point you want to use. This ensures the circle is drawn from the exact location you need. Step 4, type in the radius distance, for example 1 mile. You can adjust this number depending on how far you want the circle to extend. Step 5, click on New Circle to draw the radius around the point. The circle will appear on the map showing the area covered. Step 6, use zoom or full screen to check if a road or address falls within the circle. This helps you see clearly whether a location is inside or outside the radius. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more helpful tutorials.